What should we say? Welcome to David and David Cookies Invention. Welcome to David and David's Cooking Invention.
No.
Welcome to David and David's Cooking Invention.
Edition. Cooking edition. It's not that hard. Cooking edition.
Welcome to David and David's Cooking Invention.
Edition. 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 Edition.
Welcome to David and David's Cooking Invention.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do.
Let's just say we're cooking cookies.
Okay. We can say that.
Welcome to cookies and
Cookie making.
Welcome to cookie making.
And we're gonna make homemade cookies.
Homemade cookies. Yeah, I like to eat some when they're cold like that. I just want.
Are you supposed to? Can you?
Yeah, I do that at Mimi's.
Mimi feeds you raw cookie dough?
It's not raw.
That's totally raw. Raw means uncooked.
Yeah, don't worry, it won't hurt. It won't hurt me or anything.
Obviously, you're still alive, Mimi.
What? What?
Just reading the ingredients is all. It's not bad. Holy cow, man. Okay. Do not eat anymore. Mostly because dinner's ready. Okay?
Okay.
You need to put them on the plate and you need to space them out in a particular order, right? Here you go. Start. Oi. Start. I like that the pumpkins are on there. Alright, space that one out. Aren't we supposed to... I'm used to the cookie dough scooper thing. Aren't we supposed to space these out some more?
We're not supposed to squish them.
I didn't squish them. Did I squish it?
Yes.
Oh, alright, keep doing it.
Just kidding.
What's that? Just a crumb. No. You've already eaten enough. More? Hey, it's a mask too.
What?
It's a mask. You better put that on the cookie tray, spaced apart. No, sir. Don't pick your nose. Gross, David. Go wash your hands. You can't pick your nose and then put cookie boogers. Yeah, go wash your hands. I'll finish some of them. Go wash your hands.
I want to help you.
I won't touch them then. Go wash your hands though. With soap. Go. Bathroom. Bathroom. Thank you.